You might be waking up to some snowy scenes across northeastern Kansas. As we can see from our Midland exterior sky cam in Concordia, we have quite a bit of snow, and that parking lot is currently being plowed off after 1 to 2 inches of snow fell last night. And from Wibw, you can see a little bit of a dusting along the streets and on the streets as well. The streets are pretty moist right now, so if you're headed out at all today, you will want to make sure to practice caution, at least in the morning hours, as there may be icy spots out there. And from NOTA, you can see just a little bit of the dusting that we got here in Topeka. It is starting to melt. You can see a little bit more from our Midland exterior sky cam in downtown Topeka on the ground outside of the government buildings down there. And the same story from Emporia, as there is just a little bit of a dusting in downtown Emporia as well. Currently from our Prairie Band Casino and Resort live storm tracker, we are in the teens and the 20s overall, and we have cloud cover across the eastern half of the state with temperatures in the 20s in northeastern Kansas, 24 in Topeka, not recording a temperature from the sensor in Emporia, 23 in Manhattan, 22 in Concordia. So a little bit chilly this morning. We will start to see that snow clear out all the way from the west to the east, and we will see our temperatures rise into the 30s and potentially into the 40s for our southernmost portions of the viewing area, like Emporia and Burlington and Lyon and Coffee counties. But we will get chilly by the time we get into tomorrow morning. We will see temperatures in the teens and potentially wind chills in the single digits, and we'll see the same story on Monday as well. So it's going to be a couple chilly days ahead before we start to warm up again. As I said in our last weather block, supercast wind gust overall, showing that our winds will pick up as we go throughout this afternoon into tomorrow morning, and we'll be gusting anywhere between 20 and 30 miles per hour by tomorrow afternoon before calming down going into Monday. 24-hour temperature trend overall rising from the 20s to around 40, then dropping into the 20s as we go into the overnight hours. 24-hour wind chills, we will rise from around the teens into the 30s, dropping into the single digits because of clearer skies that we will see. Today's forecast overall, we will be in the 30s, mainly north of I-70, 40 south with partly cloudy skies. Tonight, we will be in the teens and 20s with clear skies, making it a little bit colder. Tomorrow, 20s and 30s with sunny skies. We will see a low pressure system, a weak one at that, move south as we go into the middle of the week, maybe bringing some slight rain chances, but overall those rain chances are only between 20 to 30% right now. But we start off our week cold, and then we see a warm up going throughout the middle part of the week with that slight rain chance Wednesday into Thursday.